Hello everyone, welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I'm your craft host, Fam, the Fabulous. I am just coming on because recently I went onto Amazon to order what seemed to be an essential piece of paper crafting or tool for paper crafting, which is the art glitter glue. And when it came with this tip applicator in addition to the little pin that goes into the top of it to prevent it from clogging. So if you are like me and wonder what's the difference, why is this glue so it's seen in so many videos, especially for paper crafting, what's the deal with it, and is it worth me purchasing as opposed to just simply using my standard Eileen'S Tacky Glue or my Eileen'S glue. I'm just going to do a really quick review, side-by-side comparison. So this is the nozzle. Let me just go ahead and, it says pull off spout cover, do not cut, firmly screw on metal tip. Only use stainless pen. Sewing pen will rust glue. Soak tip in boiling water if clogged and blow out twice before reattaching. So there you have it. They have their own little method, and I guess that is the secret to this applicator. Alright, so let's put that on here. So this goes on here. Okay, once you put it on, it's on there snug. And then this little thing goes to the top when it's not in use. And then I guess you keep these on hand in case you need to close it up and store it or travel with it or what have you. So I have some black for the sake of being able to see it on camera. I have some black paper. So let's start first with the Eileen'S Tacky Glue. Now, I usually keep this upside down in my craft area so that it is readily available. Ready to pour out, because it's kind of thick, and even after watering it down, that's what I deal with. So it's upside down. So give that a few minutes just to get it to adhere. And as you saw, it's white when you apply it. Okay? So let's just put that back, put that down. And Eileen'S Tacky Glue, it gives you a few minutes to reposition anything once you put it down. But after that, once it dries, that is what it is. Okay? And then we're going to use my son's. Well, it's mine, but usually when I go and restock, it's for him, not me, because I don't use it that often unless I'm doing like some type of a Mod Podge project. Alright, so let's see. That's white as well. They all dry clear. This one is a little bit more this one distorts the image just a little bit more. So if you're doing it over an image, it dries a little bit cloudy. Eileen'S glue does. No, I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm not getting any type of endorsement or affiliate fee for using. You know what? I forgot to open up to see if there was if it was closed, and of course it is. She's brilliant, girls. All right. One more time. Let's try this one more time. All right. So here we have it. And this is very liquidy. It's not as thick. It's a lot thinner of a glue. Oh, I can barely see the hole on that. It's a lot thinner of a glue, so it doesn't need to be tipped over. And put that down. Put this at the top. Oh, see how it? Just put this up there. That's a whole lot more than what the other ones have. But let me just pull some of that off if I can. So the Dries Clear. Okay, so this is Eileen'S. And it has begun. Let's see if it's begun to, yep. It's within a minute. A couple minutes, I should say. It's fully dry. And it's thicker. Now, when this dries, it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. It's not glossy, but it does have a sheen. Okay, so my camera cut off for a second there, but anyways, and so this is the Eileen'S school glue. I'm not sure if you can see that. When it dries, it's going to be a little cloudy, but it can still be used for images that that don't have to be crisp. And this is Eileen'S. This dries very fast. And let me see if I can give you a close-up. It dries clear. It's a satin finish. It's not as similar. So if you can see the bottom of the dried part of the Eileen'S. So they all have a similar finish. The only difference is that this takes a little longer. This is a little cloudier and it takes a little longer. So this is the fastest and it's probably the clearest of the glues, if that makes any sense. Because I think the thicker the consistency, the more of the image it's going to distort. It won't allow the light to shine all the way through, giving a crisper image. So I see why the crafters use the art glitter glue. Now I found this little 2-ounce bottle, and I bought 2 ounces because I just wanted to see what the hype was about, to be honest with you. And having done that and gotten a small applicator bottle with the tip, I'll go ahead and get a refill bottle, much larger. But again, I got that on Amazon. I don't have an affiliate link for it, but I'll drop a link below in the comments or in the description so that you can access that. And so I hope that has helped any of you crafters out there who were wondering, like me, what is the best glue to use for paper crafting or crafting in general. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments and I'll be happy to get back to you on that. And hope this has inspired you to add to your supplies. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe for more reviews, more hauls, more project shares, and also for my sip and shares, okay? So until we're back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, blessed, creative, crafting. Bye for now.